Hey buddy, did you hear what happened on April 4th? China just hit back hard after Trump's new round of tariffs. So here's the deal China announced. It's putting a 34 tariff on every single American import. That's the exact same rate Trump slapped on Chinese goods. So yeah, it's tit for tat. And this all kicks in on April 10th. But that's not all. China's also limiting exports of some rare earth elements to America. We're talking scandium, yttrium, dysprosium, all those high-tech military-use materials that America depends on for its manufacturing. It's a big move, and China says it's about protecting their national interests and security. To make things even more intense, they added 11 American companies to something called the Unreliable Entity List. That means those companies can't do business in China anymore, and Chinese firms aren't allowed to work with them either. Two of the names on that list, Stadio and BRINC, drones are tied to weapons sales to Taiwan, so you can guess how sensitive that is. On top of that, China immediately stopped importing American sorghum, poultry, and even bone meal. And now they've launched an anti-dumping investigation into American-made CT scanner tubes. Sounds like they're going line by line through American exports, looking for pressure points. Oh, and China's taking it to the World Trade Organization too. They're saying America's new tariffs break global trade rules, and if nothing gets resolved in 60 days, they'll ask for a formal ruling. The market's not doing great. Tech stocks in America took a dive, and over in Japan and Europe, markets finished deep in the red. JP Morgan even bumped up their odds of a global recession to 60 by year's end. Bottom line, man, this trade fight between China and America is getting way more serious. It's not just politics anymore, it's affecting global supply chains, investors, and everyday prices. This one's gonna be worth watching real close.